This is the first toilet, the basin and the supply, the tap, the shower mixer, hot and cool. Shower mixer, hot and cool. My floor drain, toilet seat, toilet supply, the floor drain. Now the second master, the basin and the supply, the tap, the shower mixer, hot and cool. Floor drain, toilet seat, toilet supply, and the floor drain. This is the second toilet. The third toilet, the basin and the supply, the tap, the shower, the toilet seat, and the WC supply. This one, no water heater. This one is the third toilet. This one, the visitor's toilet. No basin for here, just the toilet piece, the toilet seat and the tap. This one, the kitchen, the waste and the supply. This one is the last toilet for the house. This one is the washing machine and the supply. The waste of the washing machine and the supply. This one is the basin and the supply in there. Then the tap, the shower, the WC. This one is the outside of those toilets. The supply, the toilet, the vent, and the floor drain. All those ones now, it's too near ground. It's too near ground. Now why we leave am like this? And see the pipe to soak away. One at the other toilet, the back, the supply, the waste, the vent. The kitchen be this, on the outside. Then this one at the last toilet.